Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. We are going to be doing an unboxing and reviewing of just the packaging for the LGN PRO Lissette Gel Nails unboxing. So this is the order that I purchased and I am so excited for this. So let's just get straight into it. Okay, so let's see. Oh, this is so pretty. See that? I like that. This is so nice. So fancy. Okay, thank you for your purchase. It's just the invoice. Alright, I'm going to put the box to the side and then take out the stuff as we go. Okay, so the first thing on top, I believe these are the Bling It kits. Oh my god, so Lisette's been putting out a lot of videos showing all her stuff before she launched it, like kind of testing them out, showing them to us so that we can see them. But obviously with hers, they're already loose, so I didn't know that they actually come, because this is my first like bling box. Like I've never purchased anyone from anywhere else, so I don't know if they do the same thing. But I did. Oh, this clasp is really, really nice. Can I get in this? Oh, nice. Okay, that is a secure clasp. That they all come in separate packages. So I was like, oh wow, because I heard she was saying like, oh, if you want to rearrange them and stuff, and I was like, I don't know, to have to pick all those up and then move them somewhere else. No, but you see, they come in separate packages. So if you wanted to rearrange it how she was saying, like, you know, put half and half or put it from side to side, you can rearrange it however you want. It's easier before you even open them. You can kind of pick and choose exactly where you want to put them. So I think that's really, really nice. Seems very well packaged. It's so cute. Very nice. And this is the other one. Let's see if you can see this clasp here. Like it's really sturdy. You hear that? Like really, really secure. Your stones are not going anywhere, love. These are so cute. Okay, put this right here. Wow. These are so pretty. Next, I purchased the Lissette Gel Nails drill bits. So these are her favorite drill bits. This was definitely more of a like full-on support buy, because I actually have most of these bits. Like I have these. Well, these kind of look different now that I see these up front, because my fine and my medium drill bit, one is a ceramic and the other one is metal. It's not gold, but these are beautiful. Obviously I have this one because she recommended this 5-in-1, so I bought it like right away. So I have that one. I have this one. I don't have this one. This is the one I'm really looking forward to trying, the snake one, I believe she calls it. This I have as well in 2 other sizes, not as big as this one, so I would count this as I don't have this one. And this one I have it too, but it's a different size. It's like a little bit bigger. So I would say I got it for these 3. This I have too, just not in pink. So yeah, I love the package. It's so cute. Yeah, so I definitely like this. This case is really nice. It's bigger. It's nice and sturdy. Obviously, it's pink and gold. It's a nice color scheme together. And yeah, I cannot wait to try these three right here. These are the ones I'm really looking forward to trying. Yes, so I bought the cleanse. I don't have a cleanse. I usually just use either half alcohol, half acetone, and I use that, or I just use my prep pads. So I'm really excited to have a cleanser and to try this. So she did have videos where she tested out and showed it to us and shows us exactly how we use. She said it smells really good. So next is the wax stone picker. Cute. So the bit is, the bottom part here is more like the dotting tool. So I know I have another, the other ones that I've used in my video has more of a different thing here. So this is pretty cool. It's different. I like that. This is smaller. It's not like coming out at the sides. It's a lot smaller. It's slim. It's very lightweight. It's very nice. I like it. Next, we have the Bling It No Wipe Rhinestone Gel. So this I'm excited for because not until recently I didn't really have one. The one that I had that I was using came with like just the set that came with some bling. She said you don't have to wipe with this, so, and you don't have to put a top coat as well. So that's pretty cool. And then next we have the, I believe these are the nail sets. So I got the extra long. I got the extra long stiletto nail tips, and I got these because I feel like if it's longer, you can put it to whatever size you want to put it. If you did want to put something longer, or if you want to, and I think it's easier to shape. Like once you cut it with the clippers, like it can give you either your coffin shape or, you know, and then you can just smooth the edges, things like that. So this is a 500 piece, size 0 to 9. Okay, and this right here, this right here, this is the biggest bundle she has on her site. And right now she has it on sale. Well, when I purchased it, it was on sale. So go and check it out if you haven't already. Ooh. Oh yes, I love this packaging. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Like, I am a sucker for packaging. So I am one of those girls. Like, if you have a nice package, I am buying. Like, so pretty. Not that I wouldn't buy if it didn't have nice packaging, but that is something that catches my eye. Like, if you have a bomb ass product, like, I'ma get it. But if I see a good, nice packaging on top of your bomb ass product, like, that's it. You already took my coins. Like, I already want it. Okay, so should I put this here and you guys can focus here? All right, so these are the 2 gel brushes, which I am very, very excited to use these. I'm excited to actually use a brush that is designed for a gel brush. So this package comes with the number 4 and the number 6. Okay, so these are the 2 brushes. It also comes with the nail prep dehydrator, the shiny no wipe top coat, and it, no, you're getting in my way, cut it out. Okay, and then it comes with the rubber base coat, which I am very excited to use because I don't really have like a, how you say it, like I've heard of her using this other rubber base coat in the beginning, and I was like, I really want to use something better than just the regular dehydrator and primer. I know like Young Nails and stuff had that, but I never got to it, so I'm so excited to use her rubber base coat. This is the matte no wipe top coat. These bottles are pretty heavy. Like they're pretty big. This is a decent size. I mean, in comparison to other brands, like, come on, look at that. See that? This is base coat. Like, it's so small, you know? So you're definitely getting your money's worth with this size right here for all of them, because dehydrators too. Like, this is so nice. I love her pink and gold scheme. Like, I think they're so heavy. I love that. Okay. Okay, and then for the creme de la creme, we have the colors of the Builder Gels. And they all come in their own little baggie. That's so cute. So it comes with the milky white, which I'm so happy for this. Like, I'm sorry guys, I'm happy about all of this, but there's like some that I really want to test. Like, that, not only test, but just like try it out and have one, because I never had one. So like, I've had the white, obviously, for me and Secret that's really thick, but this is a builder gel. Like, it's gonna be probably the same consistency, but I don't know, I just saw her use it and it was really nice, so I really want to try the milky white. This one I'm very excited for. The crystal clear. Oh, I like that fade of the color. It's nice. Then Simply Pink. We have True Nude. And we have Peach Perfect. So these are the 5 colors that she has. These are all the products that I purchased. And if you have not checked her out yet, go and check her out at LGNPRO.com. She got a lot of stuff going out. She's going to be coming up with a lot of other things too as well. So if you do gel nails, if you're just getting started and you want to try it out, go and show some love and support to Lissette Gel Nails. I'm going to put all her information down below. Her Instagram, her YouTube, everything. So you guys are probably already following her if you haven't already, but this is everything that I got. So I will be doing a video coming up hopefully pretty soon with using these products and letting you know of the product review and what do I think about it in comparison to the other ones that I have used, and then we'll go from there. But I am so excited. I'm so happy with everything that I purchased. This is beautiful. The packaging, everything looks gorgeous. I can't wait to test them out. And yeah, please head over to my other playlist, all about nails and or all about makeup. I have everything sectioned in playlists, so you can come here and see what you want to see. I will be coming out with different other sets of videos like ASMR, as well as maybe some pranks. I always prank my husband, so I want to just probably try to catch it on camera and see how that goes. Yeah, I'm a jack of all trades. I like to do a little bit of everything. So if that doesn't work for you, that's why I made the playlist. If not, stay tuned for the channel. I am going to be having some more videos, but if you haven't already, like this video if you do like it. Leave me a comment down below with your suggestions or showing some love. And don't forget to subscribe. I see I have like about 61% of people that come and watch my videos, but they're not subscribed yet, so click that button. And yeah, I will see you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.